How to get AI on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can get My AI on Snapchat. Now, My AI is the latest feature on Snapchat that you can interact with. You'll find it on your chat list here. You can see at the top of your chat list, you'll find My AI as you can see on the screen. Now, if you don't get this feature, then how you can do it? The first option is updating your app. Simply head into your Play Store or App Store on your device and search in for Snapchat and update the app. Now, since this is the latest feature, what you want to do is update it, and once you update it, if you open up Snapchat and head into chat, and here at the top you'll be able to find My AI, or you can search in from the search bar for My AI. However, if you don't get the update, or if you updated it and you still don't receive this feature, then it basically means that you haven't got the feature yet. Now, Snapchat is slowly rolling out the feature to everyone, but it still isn't rolled out for everyone, so you might just want to wait for a couple of days. However, if you are not getting the update at all, simply scroll down the notification bar, and on the top right corner you can see settings icon. Tap on it here and scroll down until you find the option apps here. And on apps, what you want to do is search in for Snapchat. Simply search in for Snapchat and scroll down and head into stories, and here at the bottom of the screen tap on manage stories or delete data, and it'll ask you to confirm the app data deletion. Simply tap on delete, and this will basically remove all the glitches and bugs in the app. As well, it resets the app. So once you do it, you'll be able to get the update on Play Store. So simply update it and you'll be good to go. So this way you can get My AI on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.